Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my class after a very long gap. How are you all doing, children? Children, let me know if there are any new student who are coming to the class for the first time. Hi, Rohan. How are you? Amar, Zera, Tanushri. Hi, children. Megan. Hi, Megan. You are a new student. Hi. Pavan. Hi. Templin. Hi. Hi to you all. Enzo, hi. Kushi, hi. Hi, Kushi. Taniksha, Prasad, hi. Aditya, good evening. Good evening to you all children. Vihan, Tanishka, Akshit, hi. Shruti, hi. Devansh, hi. Shrinika, Jaina. Aiza, you are a new student. Hi, baby. Asher, hi, Asher. Rayan, hi, Rayan. You are new to the class. Welcome. Raghav, hi, Raghav. Asher, hi. Manvi, hi Manvi. Dev, Lakshita, Preet, Michelle, Yazini, Laukik, Kirtika, Templin, Zihak, Prahati, Ritul, Nitiksha, Devisha, Shriyan. Hi to you all. Agrima, Zara, new student. Hi baby. Pooja, Kirtika, Advaita, Kritika, Amar, Nora. Happy birthday to you, baby Nora. May God bless you. Many, many happy returns of the day to you, Nora. Nihal. Hi, Nihal. Chaturvid. 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 Hi, Chaturvid. Kushi. Hi, Kushi. Pooja. Hi. Uzair. Zara. Hi, children. Templin. Hi. I'm fine. Thank you so much. Megan. Shivani. Hi, Devansh. Tanvi. Satviki. Hi. Avanish. Hi, Ritu. Tilak. Hi. Vatsalya, I'm fine, thank you. Zihan, Shriyan, Jashwin, Ashika, Meghan, Rakshita, Akanksha, Ayush, Ritu, Avanish, Kenza, Satviki, Tukilya, Tanvi, Meghan, Shivani, Kirushvika, Nitiksha, Nahayan. Hi to you all. Swaraj, hi. Ashika. Shaurya, new student. Welcome to the class, Shaurya. 4.1 now. This June, the child 4 years completed. Can go to LKG. Hema Sudha, madam, your child can go to LKG this year. It's only 4.1, and last year I think you have not sent him to school, no? Vatsalya, hi Vatsalya. Nihira, hi. Agnis, hi. Rayan, hi. Angelio, hi. Ayushi, Shraddha, hi to you all. Shriva, Srivardhan, hi. Sanvika, hi. Devansh, Dhanushri, hi. Lucky, Kashyap, Ayu, Bharan, Ritul, hi to you all children. Devna, Pranika, Swarnika. This is for preschool, all ages. All right, children. So now it's time to start the class. Tilak, hi. Rayan, new student. Swaraj, new student. Welcome to you all children. Arnav, hi. Anshu, hi. Ibrahim, hi. Netra, hi. Ayu, hi. Supriya, hi. Minimum 4.5. 4.5 child can go to Sisma, hi. Srihari, hi. Swarnika, Mustafa, hi to you all children. Hope you all are fine. Harshavardhan, hi. Mer- Mershia, hi. Shruti is always learning slowly. Children learn at their own pace. We cannot push them. Just that we can, what, give them resources and things to teach them things, but we cannot push kids to learn so fast anything because they'll have their own pace of learning. Angelio, first time in class. Hi, baby. Angelio. Kushi, Vihan, Francisca, Adhira, Vivan. All right, children. So now let's start the class. Rumaisa Ansari, new student. Hi, baby. Avanya, hi. Ruben, hi. Jennifer, hi. Anna, hi. Aisha, Daivik, and Dishant, hi. Mokshita, hi. Hanati, hi. Kirtana, hi. Adhira, hi. Adhira. Anvi, hi. Tanmai, hi. Kirtika, Deebu, hi. Jennifer, hi. Jennifer. Ruben, hi. Avanya, hi. Mariam, Mafaz. Deebu, Raghav. Veronica, Ahmad. Harsha is a new student. Hi, Harsha. Rashmika, hi. Garvit, hi. Ayushi, Satviki, Sri Prakhyati, Khushi, Prince Shwan William. New subscriber, new student, but no name. Daivik, Dishant, Aira, Yuvashri, Sri Prakhyati, Supriya, Yami, Ayushi, Yami, Rithul. Hi to you all, children. Hi. Very good evening to you all. Good evening. Good evening. Adya, hi. Akhil, hi. Pranika, Swarnika. Navi, hi. Sahit Reddy, hi. Afra. Arfa. Vandita, hi. Vandita. Jishnu is new to class. Oh, I see so many new students in the class today. Karthik also is the first class. Arfa, good evening to you all. Lucky. Arodro. Arudro. Hi. Sasra, hi. Hi, Ayu. Vivin, Jishnu. Hi to you all, children. Maria, hi. Manha, hi, Manha. Janvi, hi. Parthu, hi, Parthu. New student. Today I have so many new students. Harshit, hi. Harshit. Purvi, hi. Manasvi, hi. Shall we start the class, children? Lukesh, hi. So now, children, Ishika, hi, Ishika. Come on now, everybody stand up from your places, all of you. Come on, children, stand up from your places, everybody. Stand up from your places. Yes, very good, very good. Stand up from your places. Isaac, Hasib, stand up from your places. Very good. Now, come on, start jumping. Jump, 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 jump. Everybody should jump now. Jump, 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 jump. Very good. Yes, jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Now, stop. 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 Now, children, turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Parthu, new to class. Very good. Ami, new to class. Very good. Dhanvi, very good. Come on, children, everybody turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. Very good. Come on, children, now bend forward and touch your toes and then bend backwards. Once again, bend forward and touch your toes. Hanin, new student, hi, baby. Hanin, bend backwards. Bend forward and touch your toes and then bend backwards. Okay, children. Very good. Come on now, everybody, put your hands on your hips and rotate your hips round, children. 4 times clockwise, 4 times anti-clockwise. All right, come on, start doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, children. Come on, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Now, everybody, put your hands on your shoulders and rotate your elbows round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again, everybody should do it. Children, now look here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Kurshit. Hi, Kurshit. Ansh, hi. Now come on, everybody, put your hands forward like this. Put your hands forward and rotate your wrist round. Wrist, this is called wrist. Okay, you have to rotate your wrist round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Manha, hi, Manha. Isaac, hi. Now come on, everybody. Raise your hands up, children. Raise your hands up. Bend your right hand and press it with your left hand like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now come on, change the hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good, children. Very good. Now come on, everybody, sit down in your places. Children, sit down, sit down, sit down, all of you. Sit down, all of you. Now, can you tell me which day is today, children? Can anybody tell me which day is today? Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. And can anybody tell me which day was yesterday? Yesterday was Sajid first time. Hi, baby. Rudra, hi. Yesterday was Tuesday. And tomorrow will be Thursday. So now tell me, how many days are there in a week and what are they? There are 7 days in a week. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. And what are they? They are, come on, read along with me. Everybody should loudly read along with me now. Come on, start. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So total there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days in a week. They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right, children. So there are 7 days in a week. Now, children, can you all tell me how many months are there in a year and what are they? There are 12 months in a year. 12 months. How do you show 12? 10 and 2. 12. 10 and 2. 12. Okay. There are 12 months in a year. They are, come on, everybody should, here, look here, all of you look here. You have to tell me the names of months of the year. Okay, come on, start. January, February. Everybody should count it with your hands. Look here, all of you. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So total there are 10 and 2, 12 months in a year. All right, children, there are 12 months in a year. And now we are in which month? This is March. Which month is this one, children? This is March. Okay. Now, today I am going to show you some sight words. You have to. Do you know what is a sight word, children? Sight words are those words which you should not decode while reading. You just have to memorize the word by the sight itself. So, those words we call the sight words. What do we call them, children? Sight words. Sight words are those words which you should not decode. You just have to look at them and learn the spelling. Drink. That's it. This is how you have to read this word. Drink. 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 You should not decode it like the k. No, you should not read like that. Okay. Sight words are those words which you have to learn by the sight itself. Okay. By looking at it itself, you have to learn the word. Okay. So we will do one thing. In every class, we will learn 20 sight words. Okay. 20. See? Small, big, big, small, big, small. These are the sight words. You just have to look at them and only learn. You have to memorize the spelling. Okay. You should not decode it using the phonics. Big, small, big, 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 small, 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 small. Green, green, green. I have so many sight words here. Cold, 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 cold. Table, 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 table. Boy, 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 boy. We have so many words. I am not understanding what I have to teach you. There are some 100 plus words which are there here. Day, 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 day. Girl, 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 girl. Everybody should repeat it after me, children. Girl, 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 girl. Have, and see. These are all sight words. Okay, children. Have, 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 have. Look at the word. When you look at the word, you will understand the spelling also. Have. See, 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 see. His, 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 his. Color, another color. Yellow, 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 yellow. Milk, 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 milk. Eat, 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 eat. With, 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 with. Has, 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 has. has, table, 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 dog, 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 was, 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 are, 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 and, 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 and. Okay, children, these are enough. I will do the revision of those words. Okay, only these ones I will teach you every day so that you will understand. Okay, this much is enough for us. So, can you tell me which word is this one here? B. Starting with B. Big, 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 big. Small, small, small. Every day, if we can learn this many sight words first, then we can get into the second set. Small, small. Green, 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 green. Sight words are for UKG. Cold, 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 cold. Boy, boy. LKG also at the end we can introduce. Boy, boy, boy. Day, 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 day. Girl, 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 girl. Have, 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 have. See, 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 see. His, 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 his. Yellow, 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 yellow. Children, every alternate day now we are going to revise only these sight words. Okay, so these many words at least you will learn in my class. Milk, 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 milk. Eat, 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 eat. With, 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 with. Has, 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 has. Table, 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 table. Dog, dog, dog. Was, 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 was. Are, 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 are. And, 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 and. So I'll keep this set of sight words aside. Every class we will revise this one first. Okay, then once this is over, then we'll get into the next set of words. All right, children, sight words are those words which you have to learn it, you have to memorize it. That is what it is called. Sight means at a sight you should read it, you should not decode it using the phonic language and then by heart. No, it's not like that. You should not decode it, you have to learn it by seeing itself. That is called sight words. That is called sight words. Okay, children. Now I will show you something else. Wait 1 minute. Sight words are those words which you have to learn by heart, which means you should not decode and you have to learn it with the help of spelling. Now, children, this is for younger age group. Here I will show you some numbers and I want you to identify the correct number. All of you know 1, 2, 3. I know that. So, can you point out to the number 3? Can you show me where is number 3? Yes, very good. This is number 3. Very good, children. Can you tell me where is number 7? Can you tell me where is number 7, children? Identification of numbers. This is for younger kids like nursery and playgroup. Can you show me where is number 7? Here it is, number 7. Very good, children. Can you show me where is number 4? 4. Very good. This is 4. Good job. Can you show me where is number 8? Where is number 8? Why are you laughing? Where is number 8? You don't see number 8 anywhere? Oh, there's no number 8. Here it's 1 and 2. So there's no number 8 here. Okay, children? Very good. Now can you show me number 3 here? 3. Point out to the number 3. No 3? I was thinking 3 is here. Very good. Now can you show me where is number 8? 8. 8 is here. Very good. Now can you show me where is number 10? Number 10. Point out to the number 10, children. Number 10. This is number 10. Very good. Can you show me the number? I will see how many of you will say this correctly. Where is number 9? Show me number 9. How many of you did it right? This is number 9. Okay. Now can you show me where is number 6? 6. 6. This is number 6. Okay, children. So should not get confused between 6 and 9. All right. Very good. Now can you tell me where is number 5? 5. Here you go. This is number 5. Very good, children. Okay. These are the identification of numbers for the younger students. You should not get confused between the same numbers. Okay. Now I will quickly show you the numbers and you should tell me which number is that one. Okay. These are not in order. Come on, read fast. Which number is this one? 7. 7. S-E-V-N. 7. S-E-V-N. 7. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 1. O-N-E-1. 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 S-I-X 6. S-I-X 6. S-I-X 6. 9. N-I-N-E 9. N-I-N-E 9. Come on, children. I want everybody to read. Look here, all of you. Please look here, children, everybody. N-I-N-E 9. N-I-N-E 9. 5. F-I-V-E 5. Loudly, read loudly. F-I-V-E 5. If you have liked the session, please hit a like button. F-I-V-E 5. F-I-V-E 5. Which number is this one here? 2. 2. T-W-O-2. 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 T-E-N-10. 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 Very good, children. Now the exercise is, I will show you 2 numbers and I want you to tell me which is the greater one and which is the smaller one. First, I want you to tell me which is the big number. Okay? Say yes, ma'am. I want you to tell me which is the big number. Okay? Biggest among these two. Big. Can you point out to the big number, big digit? Lavanya madam, thank you so much. Your highly interactive sessions for senior KG are engaging. My kid Abhiram bought classroom environment again after 1 year. It's good idea in this pandemic. Thank you so much, ma'am. Have you joined your child in our senior KG program? Abhiram, is it that Abhiram madam? Happy to hear from you, ma'am. Yeah. So, children, listen. Can you tell me which? Thank you so much, everybody. Those who have really liked the classes, please hit a like button so that even I will understand you have really liked the classes. Oh, acha, you are giving me the replies. Ah, all right, fine. Which is the biggest number? 8. Very good, very good. 8 is the biggest one. Big 8 is big and 1 is small. Can you tell me which one is the big number here? Big, big number. Number 10. Very good. 10 is big. Can you tell me which number is big here? It's number 5. Number 5. Our senior KG classes are very, very interactive and very nice. As there was a comment from some parent who she joined only yesterday. They are really very online program is yes paid because we have to take so much of care to teach them everything, no? And that too senior KG is very tough to teach. Even though they are away, we will have to make sure that when they get into their first standard, they will be ready with each and every concept, and that is the reason. There are some 2 3 parents here who have already joined our senior KG program. I can see them. How to enroll, madam, in this? After this live is over, in the description there are details, you can just check out. So, children, come on, tell me which one is the big number here. Can you tell me the big number? 4. Very good. Can you tell me which is the biggest among these two? Here you go. Hi, Purvi. You are there in the class, no? Can you tell me which is the big number, children? Yeah, I'll do a session or video on seasons also soon. I'm planning for that. Children, can you tell me which one is the big number here? 10. Very good. Can you tell me which one is the big number? 8. I think I've already used this set. Can you tell me which one is the smaller one? Now you have to tell me the small. Which is the small number, children? Small, small, small. Small is number 2. Online class details are there in the description. You can check. Can you tell me the small number? Small. Not the big one. It's the small number. Small is number 5. Very good, children. Can you tell me which one is small among these two numbers? 7 and 4. Small. Children, you have to do it on your own. Tell me the small number. It's 4. 4. Can you tell me which one is the small number here? Small. 9 is small. Very good, children. So, see, just in numbers 1 to 10, we can do so many activities and games for this. You can ask randomly which number is this. 3, 2, 6, like that. This is one thing. You can ask them the spellings of these numbers. You have to, I'll show you this. Now, come on, tell me the spelling of this number, children. TWO2. You can contact me to for the details. Yes. Anytime. THRE 3, SIX 6, FIVE 5, FOUR 4, SEVEN 7, TEN 10, NINE 9, ONE 1, EIGHT 8. This is the second game in numbers. Now I will tell you the third. The third one is point out to the number 1, point out to the number 2, point out to the number 6. This is another game. The third one is big and small. Which is big, which is small. That also you can do. And you can also do this one. Now, children, can you point out to the biggest in the set? Can you point out to the biggest number in the given set here? Which is the biggest number? 8. Which one is the smallest number? 3. Very good, children. Can you point out to the biggest number in the given set here? Point out to the biggest number. 9. And the smallest is 1. Okay, children. This is how you can learn maths concepts just in the number range of 1 to 10. Okay. If you can say any exercise between the range 1 to 10 perfectly, if you can learn, you will be able to do any number like till 100 also. But for that, you should confidently know 1 to 10 and the activities and exercises between 1 to 10. Okay, if you have really liked the session, please hit a like button. Because now I'm going to tell a story to you, children. We have story cards here. Story cards. 3.3 year spellings is not required, ma'am. There is so much they can learn before that. Okay, fine, children. Come on, let's start a story. This is for... Look here. Story, The Fox and the Crow. What is the story, children? What is the story? The Fox and the Crow. Come on, repeat it after me. The Fox and the Crow. The are the sight words. Fox and Crow also you should learn because they are the names of animals. And is also a sight word. The Fox and the Crow. Okay, children. How to teach big and small? There are so many ways to teach big and small, ma'am. You can show a big object and a small object as many times as possible, so they'll understand it very easily. So there's nothing there's no confusion in understanding big and small because it's very easy. Come on, children, come on, start here. Look, who all want a story? Raise your hand. Raise your hand, children, who all wants the stories. Acha, in numbers you are saying more in number, less in number. Then she will understand big and small number. Okay. In maths, if kids are confusing between big number and small number, first you have to teach them more in quantity and less in quantity concept. Then they will understand this gradually. The Fox and the Crow. The Fox and the Crow. One day, listen, children. One day, a hungry fox was walking in the jungle. One day, the hungry fox is walking in the jungle. He saw a crow sitting on a tree. The fox saw a crow sitting on a tree. He saw a piece of cheese in the crow's mouth. What did the fox see, children? A piece of cheese. As the fox is hungry, he wanted to eat the piece of cheese. Okay, then the fox thought of a plan. What did the fox do? He thought of a plan. He thought of a plan to eat the piece of cheese. The fox started to praise the voice of crow. The fox started to praise the voice. The fox started to praise the crow. He said, "You are looking very beautiful. If you, I would like to listen to your voice once. Can you please sing a song for me?" So the fox started to flatter the crow by saying, "You have beautiful, luscious feathers. You look so beautiful. I wish I can hear your voice too, because I'm very sure your voice is going." Then what happened? The crow the crow believed the words of this cunning fox. The crow opened the mouth to sing a song. Then what happened? As soon as the crow opened the mouth, the piece of cheese fell down. The piece of cheese fell down. Then what happened? The fox ate it and went away. The moral of the story is, beware of flatter. What is the moral of the story, children? Beware of flatter. Now, once again, I will tell you, parents, whenever you teach stories to your kids, you have to tell them 2 or 3 times. I will tell you why. In the first instance, it's a new story to them. Half of the portion they will not understand. In the second instance, they already know the story, so they will show little bit more interest to understand the story. Third time, they will be very confident enough to look at the story because they already know the story. Hmm. Story: The Fox and the Crow. One day, a cunning fox is walking in the forest. He saw a crow with a piece of meat in his mouth. The hungry fox want to eat the hungry fox wants to eat the meat. He thought of a plan. He thought of a plan. The fox started to praise the crow. He started saying, "Oh, how beautiful you are looking. Your feathers are really luscious. Your feathers are sing a song to me." So the fox started praising the voice of a crow. Then the crow opened his mouth to sing a song. What did the crow do, children? The crow opened his mouth to sing a song. As soon as he opened the mouth, the piece of cheese fell down. The piece of cheese fell down. The fox ate it and went away. The moral of the story is, beware of flatter. What is the moral of the story? Beware of flatter. Beware of flatter. Tell me, what is the moral of the story, The Fox and the Crow, children? The moral of the story is, beware of flatter. So, children, listen to me. In our YouTube channel, I made a story. The Fox and the Crow story is there in our YouTube channel. If you are here today who are listening to my class, once go back and listen to the story there. There, the story is said in just 10 lines. That is for you to watch it again and again and learn the story. If you want to learn the story, The Fox and the Crow, go back to my channel and see the story, The Fox and the Crow. It is there. You can learn sentence by sentence there because the story is narrated in just 10 sentences. So, after watching this video, if you are going back to that video, you just let me know in the comments below so that I will understand you are from here. Okay, children, you can go and learn the story, The Fox and the Crow. One day, a fox is walking in the jungle. He saw the crow with a piece of meat, or you can say a piece of cheese, in his mouth. The fox is hungry. He thought of a plan to eat the cheese. He started to praise the crow. He asked the crow to sing a song. The crow opened his mouth to sing the song. As soon as the crow opened the mouth, the piece of meat fell down. The fox ate it and went away. The moral of the story is beware of flatter. Okay, children. What is the moral of the story? Beware of flatter. Beware of flatter. Do not fall for flattery words. Did you get that? Do not fall for flattery words. Okay? Now, here I am going to show you vegetables, but still there are something else which you should learn in the vegetables. Okay. All right, children, come on. See, look here, children, everybody. You all know the general regular vegetables. You have been learning it from so many days, right? Even I am showing you different types of vegetables every day, correct? Yes, children, you are all learning different types of vegetables every day. But today, look here. If you have really liked the session, please hit a like button. Do not forget to hit a like button because you're all attending the class, but you're not liking the session. So, children, there are so many vegetables we all know, but here, can you tell me which vegetable is this one? This is a sweet potato. This is a sweet potato. Sweet potato is a underground vegetable. Underground vegetable. Today, this is about underground vegetable. This vegetable grows inside the soil. It is not outside. This sweet potato is an underground vegetable which grows inside the soil. Did you see this one, children? This is a radish. 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 Radish is again a underground vegetable which grows inside the soil. Radish is an underground vegetable which grows inside the soil. We call them underground vegetables. Vegetables which grows inside the soil. Vegetables which grows inside the soil, we call them underground vegetables. Examples are yam. This also grows under, like potato. Potato, yam, sweet potato, radish. These are the vegetables which grows under the soil. Here is another example of the underground vegetable, children. Did you see this one? It's called beetroot. Beetroot, garlic. These are the underground vegetables. Underground vegetables are those vegetables which grow inside the soil. We have to pluck out along with the roots to eat these vegetables. Okay, children? These are called underground vegetables. Come on, name the underground vegetables, children. Radish, yam, beetroot, garlic, sweet potato. These are the underground vegetables. We still have many more underground vegetables like ginger, potato, beetroot, turnip, radish, carrot, yam, sweet potato, onion. These are all the underground vegetables. Okay, children, do not forget the underground vegetables. Now there are again different another type of vegetables. Children, look here. This is coriander. What is this called? Coriander. And this is fenugreek. Fenugreek. These are called leafy vegetables. What are these called, children? These are called leafy vegetables. Leafy vegetables. We still have more leafy vegetables like mint, sorrel, curry leaf, fenugreek, coriander, spinach are the leafy vegetables we have. Leafy vegetables are those vegetables which are only leaves and we cook them as vegetables and eat. Leafy vegetables are very healthy. They are very rich source of iron. Okay. So leafy vegetables are very healthy. You have to eat leafy vegetables every day. Okay? Okay, children. This is coriander. This is fenugreek. And we still have many varieties of leafy vegetables like coriander, mint, fenugreek, sorrel, curry leaves, and spinach. These are the different types of leafy vegetables. Okay, children. Now we also have another type of vegetables. Here, did you see this one? This is called ivy gourd. Ivy gourd. Ivy god. These are the different types of Indian gods. This is pointed god. This is called pointed god. This is ivy god. This is snake god. Snake god. And here this is ridge god. Ridge god. So these are the different types of gods. We still have many varieties of gods in India. They are like bitter god, ridge god, sponge god, ash god, pointed god, snake god, and bottle god. These are the different types of gods. Okay, children. Bottle god, ridge god, sponge god, bitter god, ivy god, snake god, pointed god, spine god, ash god are the different types of gods we have in our India. Apple god is also there. Okay, children. Can you tell me? Can you tell me which god is here? This one. This is a snake god, and this is ivy god. Ivy god. This is ridge god. Ridge god. And this is pointed god. Pointed god. So these are the different types of gods. So children, did you see in vegetables also we have many varieties of vegetables, like one is called gods, the others are called leafy vegetables, the other type are called underground vegetables, and we also have one more type called pulses beans, which is called kidney bean, cluster bean, lima bean, fava bean. Those are the segment of beans. We cook no green peas, beans, lima beans, kidney beans, fava beans, cluster beans. These are the different varieties of vegetables and the different categories of vegetables. Okay, children, this is very important, you should learn that. This is again another family of vegetable called lettuce, cabbage, broccoli. This is another family of vegetables. Okay, the vegetables are over. Now I'm going to show you something else. So, children, do you know what are amphibians, children? Amphibian. No, amphibian, okay, fine. Not amphibian, wait. Where I go? I would like to tell you about reptiles. Wait, I got here reptiles. Okay, fine, children. Do you all know the marine animals? I made a beautiful video in my channel on different types of marine animals. There are about 15 marine animals. There are about 15 marine animals. You can go back and check it in my channel. You can go back and check it in my channel. There are 15 types of marine animals. You should all learn. Okay. Now, here are few. This is octopus. Octopus is a marine animal. What is octopus, children? Octopus is a marine animal. Can you tell me which marine animal is this one, children? It's a lobster. Lobster. Lobster is again a marine animal. This is called a fish. Fish, you all know fish very well, right, children? And this is called a stingray, or you can also call it a manta ray. Manta ray or stingray. We also have so many varieties of marine animals. Do you know, children? Marine animals are those animals which lives inside the water. Where are we living, children? We are living out in the space, like We are living like outside. We take air, breathe in and breathe out. We breathe in and breathe out air, but whereas these marine animals lives inside the water. They live inside the water. Those are called marine animals. In marine world, we have many varieties of animals of different color, different size, different shapes. They got different names also. So here are few. Octopus is one marine animal which lives inside the water. This is called octopus. Why we call it octopus? Because octopus has 8 legs. How many legs the octopus is having, children? Octopus is having 8 legs. So we call it as a octopus. There is another marine animal which looks exactly like octopus. Do you know what it is called? It is called squid. Squid. And can you tell me which marine animal is this one, children? It's a lobster. 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 There is another marine animal which looks like a lobster. Do you know which one is that? It's called shrimp. 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 There is also another marine animal of the same family. We call it crab. Crab. All right, children. This is another marine animal you see inside the water. We call it stingray or manta ray. We call it stingray or manta ray. Now, come on, children. I will tell you different marine animals: fish, dolphin, shark, whale, starfish, sea turtle, seahorse, manta ray, lobster, octopus, squid, seal, crab, clam. These are the different marine animals. I already made a beautiful video on 15 different types of marine animals. You can go back and check there and learn all the 15 marine animals with pictures. It is there. Okay, children. So here I am having only 2 pictures, but in that video I have showed you 15 different types of marine animals. You can go and learn marine animals nicely over there. Okay, children. Okay. And next is reptiles. Reptiles. Did you see here, children? Can you tell me what is this? It's a tortoise. It's a tortoise. Rishika, you are a new student. Hi, baby. It's a tortoise. Tortoise. So tortoise is a amphibian. Tortoise is an amphibian. What is an amphibian, children? Amphibians are those animals which can walk with the help of their body. Okay, they crawl on the ground and they walk with the help of their body. We call it amphibian. Snake is also an amphibian. Okay, children, examples of amphibians are snake, tortoise, chameleon, lizard. These all crawl on their body surface. Okay, crocodile is also an amphibian. Okay, children, snake, crocodile, chameleon, lizard, tortoise are the amphibians. All right, children. These amphibians, different types of vegetables, and marine animals, these are all the syllabus in LKG itself. So this child should know all these. Okay, children. So this is all for today. I will see you in the next class in Friday. For those who are coming to my class for the first time, hope you have really liked our class. If you have really liked the class, please don't forget to hit the like button here. And if you have any doubts regarding the class, you can always comment me in the comment section. I will reply to all your queries. And I already told you we have started a new batch of online interactive classes which are there early in the morning, from morning 11:30 till 1 o'clock in the afternoon. For those details also, you can ping me in the description. I have given you whole details. Hope you have really liked the session today. Again, I'll see you in Friday's class. All right, children, take care. Bye. Lukesh, bye. Ishanvi, bye. Bye, children. Krushit, bye. Bye to you all. Geetika, Krushit, bye to both of you.